All right, now we are in step 34 of our free code camp, responsive web design, learn HTML by building a cat photo app. Step 34 says, inside the third section element, add an H2 element with the text cat form. So inside should be right here, and we're gonna add an H2 element. So we're gonna click here, open H2, and close. So we have the text cat form copied, and we paste it here. Should make it closer. And we have to close the H2. Oh, sorry. H2 close. All right, let's check if it's correct. So, okay, good. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and please like. Thank you for watching, and see you in step 35.